Saturday, first day for inside the new moon for June. We dey glad for talk for na say happy new moon, and we dey glad to for meet up unam for inside the Tori House for this side, so for Equinox Tori House. PG News debate na the first one for inside moon for June. Country people them plenty glad for say we don meet up with unam today inside Tori for this afternoon. Country people them we go enter for talk some of the strong Tori that will happen for inside the week, but sabi say some other Tori that they will go talk and today we maybe una no be don see am palava this fire wey catch for that side for Sonara. Country people them so confusion dey on top according to big book wey e comot for Sonara just now. Big man for Sonara, e don talk say work for that place e go stop until they try for check sense on top to happen and they fix the thing that way they don't spoil for that side. We go talk that palava with image this afternoon. Now so too we go talk this palava waka for Cameroon Renaissance movement. According to last story we enter we here before we enter for here, they tell we at least 200 people them they don't catch them for here when they already for palava this waka. Inside the 200 people them we get Vice President Mamadou Mokhtar and other people there they already catch them. They dey from Gata. For inside Douala here, we hear say they don't catch 3 people them. Honorable Jean-Michel Ninchewe dey na for SDF2 they be deny say make e no come up for house this early morning time. Last story we enter we hear they dey try for tell we say they don't left honorable wey e be get for go bury cousin for that side for Bafang. Whether I go last go that one we go surely talk am for this afternoon. We go take una to talk this palava for GCE wey they dey write am. Country people them sabi say since Monday picking they dey write GCE and they go finish for number 13 day. Then we get case for people then too for baccalaureate where them say they go finish their exam now this Saturday. We go talk other small thing them if time is left we. So na palava for Shidon. Stay look as we say we knock Tori for this side. We get Frundi as well be announced on yesterday. It day for we corner this afternoon. Frundi, good afternoon for you.
Afternoon, Ambassador.
And how the week done day for you?
Well, the week is rough. It's rough in the sense in which things that happen. You see, what happened yesterday for night for Victoria. You see the march will take place today for the whole nation. So I think the weekend is rough.
All right, another person will get them for we not the first time, but maybe go surely be a member for the house more time. Now Oga Tamfu, how you dey?
Dey fine, Ambassador.
Good afternoon for you.
Good afternoon, my brother.
How you dey? How the week be happen and how thing the day?
The week now just misfortune be full. People that had the 4-4, people that they die for Northwest and Southwest. And yesterday 1 year against Limbe catch fire. The same fire where they don't the burn for Northwest and Southwest. But the fire they catch you one no. Why don't put the burn more? See what Tori they ever come out, they come out this side different, they come out the other side different. Why either for all side, would they still wait for year? As the Oga Minister talk say they will talk to true thing will happen for the fire them. So would they still wait? Yeah.
All corner fire. But before we enter for Tori for this afternoon, we get the normal corner side that we'll get for talk. For that side, so for a womb subdivision, now for under Menchum division, say where this one happen. For a village where they keep people the way it is so they be suffer for Sika Palava for Legnos. Inside a week we just finished, it means number 30 day, breaking number 31 day for this moon. We hear say people them enter for that village. Key ship them, even knock some of the population, burn house them. According to Bookway Governor for Northwest Iratam, Adolphe Lele Lafrique, he talks say they so investigate. He go start small time for Sabi people the way they do that kind of thing. Now so he talks say he go make ad hoc committee, he go make commission for people the way they so they get for look inside this palava. But Sabi say even inside that Bookway Governor talk he say he no Sabi the people them where they do that kind of thing. But one time the same book he concludes say na people them way they want and say make country divide na them do that kind of thing. So Oga Tamfu, when we read through that book where Governor sign he don't talk fine talk for giving the information palava to happen for that side for men for womb. But in conclusion quick if he talk say he no sabi the people them inside the same book he already sabi the people them.
It not be strange when I see Oga Governor do that kind of thing because we dey for country where the government we don't see for plenty cases them where the country don't do almost the same kind of thing. First of all, they talk say problem no be there. After they agree say problem there. They talk again say so Kitu no the burn house. After they agree again say Kitu be the burn some house. So this one he don't talk say they go look into the matter for know who them enter commit that act, and then he still conclude for them say Amber they do am. Now my question why they ask myself when I hear this thing, I say, Oga Governor, government don't send military for Northwest and Southwest, and whom not be left out. Say me they go ensure life, that mean they protect life and property. If some people then come, so they got enter, shoot goat, destroy properties, destroy lives. Then who side the military they be there, so they put the infiltrate, so they get all the time for carry out order act them, so they enter Sisongo, no man no see them. Or even I say they go tell we say military no be outside all time. Who side the big room they way that kind of thing go happen. Because if na say for that place, people they go they be suffer language crisis. They be there for a particular place, at least that particular place they so they begin to pay much attention to that place because a strategic place. So I think say some problem there, because if military where they send them for day, they not be able to ensure life and properties. I think say I don't see the reason why they supposed for day, because if they day yet people that they die all day, they go come today, they can't say no, the one they toss in a military, the other one they toss no na Amber. Military begin make sure say me no life be wasted there, me no civilian die. But if civilians they die, I think say maybe government get for change strategy. Look into the thing.
All right, Frundi, this palaver for inside Womb subdivision for village where people they suffer for late news palaver happen. We dey talk this book where governor don't sign am. Inside the book where governor sign am, if I take the Queen Elisa I talk we use am, he say unidentified. It means say people there they never so sabi their origin, but the same book it talks in that people the way they want divide country. He put and say secessionist activists, unidentified, but already give conclusion. When we see the palaver first and the burning way happen for that side again.
Mr. Ambassador, I don't think say some man they would work for this regime, for this government, will ever talk true or support civilians or his own people. I think when you be governor, you be governor of the people. You do govern the people. But when you work for one party system, now for them it be a wonderful, because governor go write book. He talk about unidentified men, say investigation will go on, and then inside that book it conclude. Inside that same book it conclude say now secessionism. Now Southern Cameroon and born places. Now Southern Cameroon go key ship go them. Now some come on go burn houses. Why they never ever talk true for once? Because they fear international bodies. Because if they talk in the army they don't burn, they will start quarry them, take them for United Nations and so on and so forth. Now then they do this thing. Now what I see, they never ever come out clear. Look like they go for news. They don't burn more than 50 houses. And here they talk 40. Now about 50 houses when they burn over that side. How many people they burn inside houses? Kill, even goat, cow, pigs, fowl, they shoot them. So when I tell me saying that Ambazonia they go they shoot, pick them, go them, burn houses. I'm not thinking say I think can burn my own house while they stay inside. Be very impossible. And the high ranking people are they ever talk now they know the one make this problem finish because of the chop inside this problem. Governor the chop inside. Minister Tanganji the chop inside. Then the chop, so this problem we get colonels whether the chop inside this business. So enough it finish. Now where do you see all this atrocity? All this one here, minister, prime minister go say the beg, president then send he may go beg for peace, for dialogue, may they forgive it and so on. That one they just throw water for talk for back ambassador.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, Tori for corner side, we no go talk plenty on top the one, but the one we just enter we here for Kumba, it tell we say at least 18 people them just now, they no get place for sleep. After fire, a burn house for that side, so for Kumba. Plenty of the detail, we na go get them, what we meet up for here for different time. Just now, the Tori we dey for inside we back, we go take una go for that side, so for Sonara. Yesterday, around 9:20 for night, he be there na some kind of watching for inside Sonara. Sabi say na na one of the big oil company that. Now for them we plenty money for country, it dey comot. Now for them we all oil, it dey comot enter for Douala. Yesterday, fire wey cash for that side. He put all people them for one side, people them for inside Limbe. They confused when they see this fire, so we start for burn. Today we enter with EM. He talk for we say this fire we burn for inside Sonara for night. Country people them na fire wey be the burn for inside one of the places where they make this oil production unit for inside Sonara. And so now they never fit for talk to till we happen. According to Kongosa we enter we here. According to which people there they work for inside they talk. They according to them they try for talk saying some problem for light where they be don't see and since and they be don't talk for company where the local light say me they try for fix it in, but since they don't they keep na deaf ear on top the palaver. Now so to this fire catch that one na jo Congo Sawe no be na official tori and sabi say for sika this palaver for fire way e catch we burn for that side. So for Sonara for night country people them plenty people them even big man the manager for Sonara he signed big book for talk say just he dey so for sika the plenty losses wey Sonara he get for sika this fire say no nothing e no go fit for continue for happen inside Sonara say all thing e go stop. The big question just now na for who side that oil go dey come out again. It means say Cameroon e go suffer small for palava for fuel or na how na question we never fit for answer am. Now before we enter for different side make we take this other chapter. Sabi say for sika that's a fire wey burn for place wey they call am say Sonara yesterday. Plenty people they be force for come up for outside for night. Plenty people they be force for come up for outside for night. All people there they be the sleep already. They be the commander. So all motor them where they be the go for direction for that side. So where they call am say Sonara. All motor they be turn back. You will not see even tanker them where they be prepared for go take oil for camp for this side. Them say way it no be there for them. All them they be force for come out for outside. So for sika say all them they fear say me fire no catch them. Mami they say the commander for with kaba. Someone they no even wear pants for inside. According to they talk with empty foot they run come out. For sika say the way the team be the halam. Now so to be the chakara people them house and all people them for that side before. So now tanker them that way they run come out for sika this palava for fire way burn for place where they call them say Sonara. Every day now for night where this palava happen and this one it happen. We country say be the hear bad people them for Limbe even as we the palava never over worry them bet country Sunday they worry them and na so to the hear bad now through this palava for fire for Sonara when you see them waiting there for your mind first.
I don't talk say waiting ambassador. God's eye in the watch Cameroon. Because the cry of the people, God in the hear. When people they don't cry, God to picking, they don't cry. They kneel down, they cry, they pray, God in the ear. I'm not going to accuse say some person don't born, Sonara, don't go put fire for day. Now God he cry. Because if I see what they happen for this other side of the country, the eyes they for Sonara. God eye and a mouth and a word. It talks like these people that they suffer. I will not eye the day. If you imagine say for Limbe, foil, idea, pass, Douala, Bavusa, but wait, they come out for Limbe. With some of our motor, we know because we take foil. So it will not really get foil for Limbe when they come out from Indian camp pass for Limbe underground and therefore inside the whole southwest for India. We don't get SDP. I want to ask one thing, ambassador. What will be the abbreviation for Sonara for English? We don't get them. If you know, you tell me we cannot go to school. Sonara. It's never English, say what? French people they come now for land, now for but they put them a French name, but not for English. Sonara. If you see me abbreviate that name, that word Sonara for English, I don't know. If you know, you go to school pass.
National Oil Refinery.
For who's that?
They think that the French acronym.
They think that the French or the English. So God he cry in the year. This cry for the people. For night, when we finish program, we'll come over and should do 1 year now phone calls. Once see messages that come, one look at Sonara. We say God, what we don't do. This thing I think if we get independent, we no go suffer plenty. Now they don't go put fire for day. We are going to put this fire, we ask a question mark. And the next now say, when minister they go come out, they go talk say, Amber, they don't go put fire. Now God he cry.
Now, thankful this fire for Sonara as Abi say surprise all man, and na the last place that people they be check say fire if you enter.
Yes, because first of all, thank God say nothing bad happen. Nothing bad say we never get loss of lives for day. Do the loss of
now we never
for now we never hear anything. It means say not there because until for there at least we don't hear say the casualties concern human too. But up to now, since we never hear say human lives be lost, we thank God for that. At least material things they feel replace them, but not be human life. Now, the fire away catch Sonara. Me in particular, I know to be happy for, because no matter the situation, no matter how things they go there, no matter how things they day, we need the Sonara. No, if we would the burn thing where we need them, means that we waste money because tomorrow we'll still build the same thing.
No, wait, talk say we burn things that we need, and that means that we don't burn them.
I thought say if
Okay.
If na just will talk say no man over burn am. So in a natural disaster where it will cost we much. And thing I go ask you don't food you don't talk something for here, don't talk about the price for fuel for that site for Indiana and for Southwest will be more expensive than for here, will be very true. And when you look to the roads, the way they for Southwest, we talk say practically road no dey there. But when for the way
for go Limbe.
For go Limbe, boya na one way. No road no there, and the road the first small. When the thing where they use and for tar road they na they share. That means
the chaps,
they dirty for crude oil. And then we get the refinery for there, but the road no there, and the road not even the country. And therefore they so that they pay people that they opening side for they pay some particular tax for government per liter of fuel. I think it be 100 and something.
Yeah.
Well, for those maintenance, what they consider as a time when motor is transport the fuel, they drop the fuel, where they drop for down the spore tar. So they could use them for the cover that hold and they maintain road from time to time. But yet we road them be we don't get nothing for right home apart we road them. Yet now another point that come from my mind is the data was another born. We live for 21st century. And what would they see crises that they happen for other places them, we go see officials them could leave their comfort zone, go for there at least to find out say all population for that side they find all man they find what it be the how the situation for there. But I be the way same I see that kind of gesture, but I don't see no official for there, neither the governor, the mayor for that.
No,
side.
you never see governor in the state for Boya.
I know what talking the state for Boya better.
Governor of the state of Douala, you never expect to see for that side.
So now this thing that they can't
Patrick came out in the state of Douala, so you never expect to see that kind of people there for there.
No, but mayor Boya Limbe.
How many kilometers?
Limbe gets a mayor them.
Yes, it get mayor, but
Limbe gets a mayor.
yeah, but what about pronounce that for the whole Southwest?
So now they pronounce for the whole Southwest, people the way they show say they work fine. At least now time they show say they work fine, and then they stand for the people. You understand? Because under jurisdiction, time where Yahoo they go call, they go and say man, now what did happen for? They forget report. Now you don't go on ground for find out if all your population they be secured. If na some point and the way the team can so be affect their houses, what they get for displace them for the meantime.
No, but when we see the image and for now, we see someone the way they actually be the bubble for under houses.
So that a natural disaster where they begin for pay attention for, but we never see such gestures. So that my worry that so where they talk say at least government officials them like they not only be overzealous.
Like for this morning time, at least.
Yes, they even did morning time because
one minister for don't take
a press conference and then they do other things. Because some time they say no, if it been overnight and because of the fire, they're not going to go near. I don't know about the people they stand from far. Film and with phone because they will cancel will take cameras instant say no, the thing that they have for bank they are not going near because of so and so reason. But at least I can't forget ensure say me put the take security measures. We will not say no, at least they work. They not already overzealous when it concerns some particular things them, like in the making the declarations that will lead to taking of human lives. So I think that will give for talk concerning
now this fireway cash was on already they come for some time to a cabinet meeting where be job pass in never overstay way in past for last month. Prime Minister inside the cabinet meeting after he work for Northwest Southwest he bring up issue for seaport for Limbe and he talk palava to say make minister for palava for roads he try for check wetin we go cost governor for say make the open company wey fit dey make quota wey they no go spend plenty money for quota. With just the talk the dirty for oil for Sonara e dey make quota and wey mean say normal they fit make that company sell for Limbe bed e no be possible.
Yes, it no be possible now. Wait, first of all, you see We not get for wait.
Why you talk say no be possible? It be possible. I said it be too hardened for it anything will concern the Anglophone section. Because they dirty these chaps when they come out for petrol, when they use when they call them quota. That's in a way for just for Limbe. I'm not thinking they'll talk say Limbe be saturated. Because I just one company there for Limbe they call us Sonora. If they open this company, they fix this quota. When are the chaps when they come out for petrol? They'll take a fixed road them for Cameroon, where it will be less cost than this one they go buy things for Europe, pay tax, pay transport. For Kanye, come double prices, triple prices. For Limbe, they open that company. We're talking about impossibilities. Everything be possible in this country.
Everything be possible. If you fail with me, I learn Mr. Funti. But thank you for your point. See what we want to say waiting. It be impossible for now because waiting. We not go wait time with the some situation not arise before begin they do things. Because things that they were if they don't do them earlier, if we don't avoid so many things that we don't lose them. But you go wait till time where fire don't start catch under your bed. Before you go know say that bed there so we get clear the tea and petrol will be there under. Look, the crisis we live in now so. People that they complain say since we're on the day no English general manager no day for day.
Even they can make
okay, now where they talk now the one way casting go the hala for some issue. And that time we put they go react. But when I think that way they don't think since do am. No be now way don't say since where this on the for Limbe. Now today where they distinct for construct road. Una because English for the don't pick up arms. You the yet to it was be impossible because talking not be doing. How many projects they don't talk and they don't do them? So we now saw the place where we stand and say museum for believe because they even talk about deep sea port.
Deep sea port since now.
See, Limbe get natural deep sea port. Why they prefer lock sea port for Limbe? You know say they be don't say Makiza they are gone they be pass through this Limbe seaport. They make us so magumagu they lock up. See today. Now so they think about Limbe seaport. Where they after they don't go do the one for greedy artificial one. They spend money for Zika.
Now why that one of Obama they present today because of that seaport when they want to start for construct Limbe seaport they come with the system of embezzlement. Sekisa for New Bell. So because of that Limbe seaport.
So now that kind of thing that we thought say make government at least begin looking them from far. But not only when a time when something happen before they react. If you get country for heart, you be patriotic and you consider all man like your brother and part of you. I think you do things that will be right so that all man go sit down and play where they knows that they my house.
Now, last thing we will talk on top this sonora when you hear talk with manager say the right time, he don't talk say work, he go stop. For sake say the team we born for they don't really disturb the other workplace and for inside. That thing he go make some other people that will suffer, people that they use money.
People that will suffer really. Cameroons in general will suffer because it will take not less than 1 year for do that repairs and it will take billions for build which we don't destroy because all those pipe like if you see like people don't do drilling they don't do drilling for petrol you sound as it come out from down the pipe they come inside at the warehouse you get a lot of pipes that don't be destroyed when they build a tower for the platform where that particular place they build a platform other pipes and for the it be too connected and it pass now from there some pipe there for petrol you see that type of flame to come out now the petrol that will be explode for with the burn. So it will take a lot of time. Cameroons will suffer for some time. I will not be very careful. Sometimes they will shock petroleum for inside motor them, even for petrol stations. So we'll be very careful. If about not say having our French people them that the controls on the radar will do everything possible for come in. We can't see what they will do.
So one thought I say we will suffer, not for short time. They suffer for long because for this country, so it's on a radar born. Sometimes you go here say they go want repair maybe price for add more for repair the hazard we don't get them for Sonarade. But we remember because when I look at remember some time when some be born for Yaoundé. Get casualty they talk say no it is so as they don't die for the thing they get for give the family their small thing and all that. So they be add some franc them for on top petrol money per liter. So that franc there since where they be don't repair some they give family they see what they begin for gear. They never ever tell we so they so the price for petrol get for reduce back 14 will be before because they already finished repair then some and then give people the money. So that's why they don't say waiting. If it happen today so not the Cameroon way don't ever add the price and then go back for down. As the add Maggie so they start asking more they go up. Matches at small goals they go reach for play with day today. So as suffer start, you know the end. The suffer go team we will know when we don't know.
All right, we go left this palaver for fire for inside Limbe. We go surely turn back for the after. Tori for inside here, we go surely talk plenty on top this fire. But Sabi say the fire the hot for plenty people their mind. Faremo could go for this waka for Cameroon Renaissance movement. Sabi say since this early morning time, they be don't talk and they do no matter as we people them to the day outside plenty for follow them. Now when they that central city, SF central town where they so people them for Cameroon Renaissance movement, they go continue with their peaceful work as well they be don't promise for inside Yaoundé. Even for around central post office, they be there them plenty where they come out for this early morning time for sake of this palaver for march for Cameroon Renaissance movement. Sabi say the people them they get cry they cry, they talk say may they left their president Professor Maurice Kamto and the other people them where they don't catch and put up from Qatar. Another cry where they talk now say waiting say may they try for see as well they so they go left all the other people there they don't catch and put them from Qatar where they don't do no nothing. On top the same palaver chapter for Mandamba he never come up for their mind where he did so Cameroon he lost for happen Mandamba this year instead for the give casting for people that they concern the same governor he instead give them promote inside the country. Now so to Cameroon Renaissance movement the vex say he did so sote now for palaver for vote they want to say may they change all thing where he consign a book or order for vote for we country so that people then they feel vote normal so now some of the things and that we make people them for Cameroon Renaissance movement party for come out for outside this Saturday. According to Tori talk for now at least 200 people the day where they don't already cash them for that side so where they call them say Yaoundé inside the 200 people there they cash them. Now talk with this so one of their secretary Barrister Don Christopher talk for we never overstay say they get vice president Mamadou Mokhtar wait for inside press conference if you don't talk say the waka it must to happen and whether they cash it or they no cash it he says they go be there and now so too they don't cash it yes they don't cash it today plus other people them for inside Douala here for Mongo we hear say they don't cash at least them 20 inside them regional secretary general for inside Mongo division where they catch inside the 20 for Douala here now around 3 the first time we hear them so we no sabi how many they don't cash and but sabi say the waka now waka away people them for Cameroon Renaissance movement they don't talk say go up and down they must to do them no matter how we they catch them. Fronti na party wey just come sabi say Gra Tango be don promise them say if they see even small money food for road say they go give them serious casting go but the party all time e don so enter for road this afternoon or today for Saturday they dey so continue for do their waka.
I dey appreciate the one wey dey get courage for come out because Gra Tango na person wey you know first be radical na radical minister when he talks until he do one. I even see like man like Professor Maurice come to the prison now because of he. Now he knock hand for table. They will come over as I send they take it bring for Yaoundé. So I want to talk say I want to appreciate this guy of the march. They get the courage because some people they don't get courage to go despite the fact that they inside that party. From Marché Central today, they catch some 3 guys and 2 way. They will still prepare for march for that place. Put an inside pick up for police carry and go. I mean for Marché Central for Douala. So they march for their right. That's why I talk say Cameroon we know there for democracy. We know there for democracy. Why? We do peaceful demonstration marching. They catch people. They throw money water for their skin. They scratch. They take una go lock them. That one not democracy. I think say we don't see them for other countries. Policeman the guide we not destroy. We not block road. We have to work up corner road march go risk even of a Bonaberry. But we not destroy. But for Cameroon, na control. Na control. And that way if they make the image of the Cameroon they ever go back, we get bad image for the whole world. We don't say them Cameroon the match of France for Paris. We say the match of Italy. We say the match of Germany. The match of South Africa. The match of America. Police and they only guide them. Why we also get democracy, but we never match peacefully for our country. Or they protest for something.
No, I'll come for you, Tanfo. When you see the way they reason them, we Cameroon Renaissance movement they march today, they get grounds. They get plenty grounds.
They get grounds because wait till they talk say legislative election and municipal election. May they go for constitution. They talk things and we get for they follow them normally. May they follow the rules and regulations and the norms. When they don't follow all, they go in for good and clean election. May they left the people them. I hear Macron talk the other day. Probably I left Professor Maurice Kamto. Very normal. Why they talk now? Not to the catchy. When they talk and sings. Because I said things that international body they start put pressure before France will come out. Macron he talks to me, Mr. Pobia, he left Maurice Kamto and Eco. I think that the blanket for one ever sings.
Now when they don't catch the other one, they begin.
And they don't catch again another one, they go out and again inside. So he says with Cameroon, where you talk good thing, where you no favor them. The only way to take you go down. So Nigeria want to arrange this country.
Thankful, Cameroon Renaissance Movement, they no fear talk with Grat and go talk for them. After the defense talk say they no go match, but they don't come out again today. You sure say some other thing they will cover the people them for some side?
Tomorrow go down and say when you see this match today, from whatever they see, no be only CRM party for Professor Maurice come to match.
Yeah.
Because when I look for that, I know they see any person wear any attire or political gadget will belong to the party for Professor Maurice Kamto. So because when they go through social media, I realize this match na a Republican match. For any person who feel patriotic, if we say Cameroon,
yeah, that's why
you get problems. You get for we need change.
Then them be there for front.
Okay, if they're there for maybe for every situation, they give for take person give for take a lead.
As so you put am it also Republican worker, we mean say any man we
feel
and even civil society activist any man we get.
The man be there. Mbwamaso they become up. Mbwamaso no be CRM party. The bonon they for they become no be CRM party. So I want you come for there. For political party, for common manifest, law to say if they want do their match, they go declare for government say so and so they will go come out for so and so place. They know they go apply say make government agree or deny. They tell government so that on that day make government send Kitu for all side. Me the work for their corner for the see and say me some man no broke something, me some man no go come out take advantage and then do funny things. And the things they no be know. When they put the one command, the commander of Mami Water spray people then they, but they will realize and say all this were official. They know what they do. Now they will be see so much for Limbe, for me for Kumba. That put they command the match against Amma. That that put they become out. They begin armor car where they accompany them. They get military put the way they be there for corner them. They guide their match. If the fit of Kumba, why not the no the fit of Douala?
Say the one piece.
The one piece. Or the one tell we say the one will be for Kumba, no being a civilians, maybe in a government. Because if we win a civilian,
a one party system.
Why it be say
do it match no problem no. The opposition no.
It even so I think say we they talk say Cameroon be country of law. Me the government they show good example for respect the law. Because no we get good laws, good policies, but the follow up and the respect for the law and the policies now here they bring query. So for the mamage part what happened today, people the way they get hard come out, we appreciate them. But I go talks for some parts say that they do the right thing at the wrong time. Because time these things of get power. Time where people they for Bamenda and for Southwest, they be come out for match. If they for the commander mamage pass so all man feel the same pain. Join them, come out if for create impact pass this way that they do now. But they leave them because that time with the yes time and they will still say, me they leave that Anglophone put and they so they go make and so make and so she don't quite the only they get problem for this country. No, but only they get problem for this country. Today who said their own problem they come out. Till they happen for your neighbor, they don't say this was the only born my neighbor leave him. Where you forget say when they go burn that neighbor he has finish go surely cross for your own house. So may they go ahead. All man wanna change. All would therefore would return a Palava nation building. Nobody say would they want talk say some point, but at least me government may they stand up.
Funny, but add something. Before you add that one, you just make a statement. Palava Republican worker now. Why they get for block person like Jean-Michel Ninche, SDF man, something around past 11 when they last come up for a compound, and he began for go for Bafang today for go bury so he cousin will die. The fear say he too get hand for inside the worker. Man start with you, Funny. This is Honorable Jean-Michel Ninche, na head boy for SDF for inside the worker.
Yeah. Now my people them, when I'm the commandant, they be my provincial chairperson for Littoral. So me like the national chairman. So which my brother time for just talk for that side now because we talk about reform the system. And why these people they wait till now? I think there are two different things. This is a political party, but the Anglophone crisis not a political party, right? So now two different things. I think say if we be talking and say if French people them, they will fit.
No separate.
No, I mean no. That two. I've never talked say that two countries where they come to be one. They get independent in 1960. We get one independent in 1961.
We don't pass 20 MA.
No, we don't pass. But now two countries that become one. If you see I put blue and white, you must know why. So, make the try for see the constitution of this country. They get to cancel that constitution. Take up at fetch. We vote governors, we vote ministers, we vote them. And if we vote all these people by law, if we get a good constitution, like what my brother just talked, I think say we'll get anything we want to do, like a peaceful demonstration. I think say police or gendarme, the only day for guide me. The only small thing I want for Adam.
Okay.
For talk with my brother to talk.
All right. So we go finish with that waka. Sabi say the waka, it goes also continue for happen. For now, we don't talk for now. Say the Vice President Mamadou Mokhtar, they don't pick it for that side for Yawende with some other key people. Them we yes around 200 people that already enter from Gata for Yawende sites. As we did go, we go surely give you an update on top this palaver for Cameroon Renaissance movement. Today we go take una now, so we'll talk this more way happen for inside Douala. Fareme could talk this thief boy them where this early morning time they turn for inside Douala where they also shoot gun. They worry people them. Sabi say people then say for Jamie. Now then say they can't help, they can't beg. Say me they don't knock them. After they don't finish shoot at people them. As I say they take a gun shoot them for up the attack people them for this side. So people them for Jamie say they can't wait population be already vex. It be why even finish kill the boy them. Now for they way one time the population say it come and Jamie people them police they can't beg. Say me they no do them. This one it just happen. Now for we corner here, you know over far away this one it pass. Now so to they throw it tear gas for drive population for outside. One time they can pick the people there. The man where they already finish naki, they go with them. Now to it happen for Douala this afternoon. Sabi say one side na Cameroon Renaissance movement they give people in trouble. The other side na people then to be the worry people then for town where Jamie they can pick and with the population if you don't already knock them so they if you want kill them. Account for palaver for insecurity for Douala. Where will they go?
You know, say one closed door of our own. You saw no matter how you saw me only the theater. It depend not here the other part could here. We therefore country. It be true. Say country not be perfect. Where all man they behave fine. Suppose they go only behave where what? Where they go thief, they go cause disorder. But now it be now the rule for the government for limiting them by creating employment. When you look for the level for employment for Cameroon, you go see and say no they work for right home about. The other time na say me the minimum wage na 36,000. When you give that person that kind of money, 36,000 for live for the dollar you pay house, if you pay the lowest room 15,000, pay transport for go for work for 1 month na 15,000. Na 30,000 that's remain with 6,000. Na the one that we go chop we go put na credit inside your phone. So we make government they push them for war. When we go talk, they go say out with the accused government. We go accuse government because some of these people that they do all this carry out kind of act them. So a hungry man na an angry man. One hungry do person if he misbehave.
If he bite you.
If he bite you. So when they do all the kind of things because they don't hungry, tired, they are a bit frustrated, not know the way they do, they look left, look right, they say na only thing way they na for pick gun. So and then when they talk the palaver, they did their own palaver. You go see, I say they want to say motive man. They put they want 6 billion them. Sleep with them inside their room. People they for inside country they suffer. They see they outside the worker. So think that the country needs plenty for we do in terms of stealing.
Fundi, this palaver to a pass. This morning time, so we say Torre house for all corner.
Our eyes are the all side. What you want to talk about? If we employ 10,000 Cameroon, they will still thief. Thief goes today. Thief never ever finish. Because man they will don't born without blood for thief.
But if you controller.
Control now to say even when we talk about unemployment, well even when not employ, they say work, thief goes to be. But now same way we limit the way we like when I hear minister come out I talk say Cameroon and feel live with 36,000 francs. I ask her whether he own Pekin say we born am. if they end that kind of money.
You talk pre born and breakfast for a house. If
So now the thing I want to talk say now they didn't push people. Even now reduce. Imagine say ambassador they work from 6 o'clock till 5 o'clock for evening every day, and they not be able to feed yourself. You'll be corrupted. They must corrupt you. And now the thing that the world Cameroonians won't talk about corruption. Now this kind of things them. We talk about thieves. Imagine say a whole doctor, you go school, primary school, secondary school, high school, university, you go school accused, you come on like a doctor after 7 years. They can't pay you 200,000 francs. My God.
We thought on it again, but they get masters, they pay the 75,000.
Teachers, when are they teach these ministers them? When they knock head with stone every day, they pay teachers them 75,000, 80,000. Headmistress, headmaster, 100,000, 120,000. If you stay for now and you guys will carry out things them. So now then they push people for the, you see these thieves where they things where they happen outside they talk about corruption, thieves, not them, the cause them. So one for beg the government. May they try for see how I still talk about constitution for this country. Joseph Owona, now we shouldn't write constitution for this country in 1994. G1. Yeah, they take them, they nail we every day. May they see how we feel restructure this country. Even the while restructure, we don't ready for we go in Agoso. We don't let Pakokako. So
yeah, and just sorry for art for this side, since you talk palava for teacher them. We hear say teacher them for Bakassi, teacher them they teach for that side of Bakassi primary school them too they talk. Say their risk allowance, it means say money where they pay them for the way government they pay them for sika the college where they get them for teach for that side. Since December that money never come out. The plan say if the money no come out, first school living certificate no go pass for that side for Bakassi, for sika say the money don't overstay. They say since for December where they get for pay them this is their risk money, the money never show it and they promise and they don't talk. If first school living certificate time for right time it reach, money never enter them. Them they no go show their hate at all. They don't fair do common entrance. They say first school, it no go pass at all for them. So that one that story for one side. Now so we go talk palava for exam. Sabi say for inside Douala here, just like any other place. GCE is start this Monday, but the one we catch we eye plenty. Now for this picking them, they did them 15 for one school where they call them say Victory Bilingual secondary school. Now for that side for Kuwait City. Now for Bois de Singe. They tell we say the 15 picking them. They been the unlucky one them where they need defeat for Shidon for right exam. For Sika Palava say they pay money for their principal, but so now they know Sabi as well principal do with money. They be them 29 inside the 29, 14 the right, then 15 you know the fee for write the exam. Mami them they be come out with their picking the way they no understand why they go money pay money. Then they know the fit for write exam. Sabi self say anytime they call principal say make it up. Principal they only talk say they for Boya, they for GC board they arrange say make picking the right exam the pass the go. Now so to sometimes they go call a number no go pass. We go for the school self, we meet up as we get school, we ask say wait he get for talk on top the palava. He say no fit talk no nothing. So just now they suffer that way. Some picking the SSF for inside Douala here they suffer for Sika palava for money. Sabi say normal GC says they don't talk, say all their money them they get for pay them through telephone. How the principal money hold the money for hand and why he no pay them na question that way to the house. He never fit for answer so now, but we sabi say now for telephone where they get for pay that money from the private school. We hear say this school says normal, you know be get for open the door them this academic year be day one of the school there they be talk say me they no start. Austin the show say they so the school he get some small problem. Minister for college book, Ma Paulina Lovalyonga, as I say be don't follow the Tory since or start for talker.
Ambassador, if you talk say this school, it been a school that we have closed doors. Which make the school be operational so they can't really start, they don't chop money, they never chop money. Because Cameroon be corrupted. When they be close this door, they put them for they say silly. They go lock, close the door. What they do is they put more for envelope, goes to the people that be concerned. As they take another, they can't open and the school start operate. When they never follow in norms them. That is the rules and regulation. Because when open primary school, secondary school, you must get rules and regulation to follow. I quite remember when they lock schools and about 100 and something schools. It won't be the next academic year, all that schools are open back. Where the not even go pay. We'll follow up. They never pay. So I want to talk say Cameroon we get that virus inside our skin. That virus dey inside our skin. Well, if we born with pikin, that pikin wan comot, they already no money, they already be corrupted. So that's something where we need serious prayers, fasting and prayers for this country. But this country be delivered.
Okay. Thankful.
Yes, so we turn as a fund earlier talk. Say that government they push people for the thief. If they say government say salary minimum wage 36,000, and if state talk again say you get right to negotiate your salary with your employer, and when employer man go get school be outside to make maximum profit, he go message me match you fine for the level of salary. That means me suck you dry. Because government not at 36,000 and you get for negotiate with you. So when you find work, you need work, you get the work, and work not the outside, I will give you for this more money. You want them or not? You know, and the second man pick them. Now, principal to go take the work, but when you go take the work now, salary now fit not be another way. If you fit family, you go see him. Any kind of money will enter in hand, that picking the money will enter. So principal to go say, okay, I just pay some my pull and tomorrow when I get money from Janga, I go back and back. If you want to know this kind of situation there, it happen. Thing where I go down, I say government don't go on holidays. Cameroon government don't go on holidays until we concern workers. Me they come back, can see into the situation of workers. Workers for this country not be protected. The employers they defeat on employees like gold, and government no they do nothing. I think that no come when government give for look into that matter because the government instead they kill the workers, the employees, it kill them because when you come out again you say we negotiate salary with the employer. Employer go say after. If employer they will pay you money for 1 month, money where they give you picking for pocket allowance for go school. They give for 1 month, you will get picking them. You picking them, they go one school, 1 month country, you they work the money, you are picking them not be able to go school for government school for here. It be unfair. Make government look into this matter because once you solve one problem in time, they go help for solve plenty problem them in the future. You don't understand. So make government stand up, look into the thing there better, and make that teacher. One and principal, that's way to be very bad because the
school don't spoil.
The school don't spoil. Only the school, the name of school don't spoil. And then picking their destinies, their future at stake. We would be very wicked of him.
Yeah, we get one of the picking the way be the write the exam for the first time. He say he never ever sabi how a timetable for GCSF day. Say he will answer for the first time. Where the right exam for the first time.
But that's where they work out money game with teacher hand. They tell me they give money with teacher hand. So now that kind of correction thing, if we say so they begin to as they begin now what they say they as end day. Well, now the ones the teacher don't say no, I bring them small. I get connection where I go pass go for inside GCE board as they say that they call it. They talk say the GCE board.
If you between people there, they come late. We need the blame.
No, true.
If you between them,
so many possibilities there.
Okay. We know sabi how the team pass, but not just the Tori will get out the talk for now. How the GCE it happen for Kumba and for Limbeme will just quick turn for Kumba first. For Tolan and say day where GCE be the start when a Monday be then at the normal country Sunday for inside that side so for Kumba. So plenty road they be quiet. For Sikada one, plenty of the picking they be sleep then for school for wait exam. First place Olan now for government bilingual high school station. Now one of the center then that way be the lookout GCE O level picking them. Now so to Organ Tundong Chamberlain when Organ SEO he be taking time for waka with security people them for go see as we exam it happen for that side so for inside government bilingual high school station. Sabi as we talk they be the right GCE and they be the right to even back the same day so it look as well the thing happen. The only problem for inside this school for number 1 day time we Organ Tundong Chamberlain be enter for day na palava this as two speaking we be get for right exam but fever be catchy one time Ntundong Chamberlain SDO he talk say me they carry the picking go for hospital first before they bring it back make it can continue for writing exam. After he come up for government bilingual high school station Ntundong Chamberlain he be enter one time now for Cameroon College of Arts and Science where they call them say Cas Kumba for that side we hear say Cas Kumba the host at least 15 different center them for inside the school and after that one now technical high school SSF lycée technique for Kumba to Ntundong Chamberlain land for day now picking the way they come out for for that side for Muntemba and Bangem the Dishidon for write this exam. So Mintundon Shambalen don't talk, say security go be for up, for say make picking the right exam fine with no person, in no worry them, so till the exam is finished. We go take una go for Limbe just now, for see as way the exam to the worker for inside Limbe, for Limbe side, for the first time, or maybe na the number 2 time or 3 time this, since when the Palava starts. Now only 4 different centers that the host exam them, when a thing that will never ever happen. Now government bilingual high school Limbe and government high school Limbe, now the 2 places in that, we're picking the right exam, as well the talk. And for private side, we get Seka Baptist, and even this other school, they call them St. Anne, we picking the right exam. Sabi say even for Bamenda, now 2 out of 7 division them, where the whole center, they did write this exam for Sika Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Fundi, when you dey look this thing, you dey hear them as well they happen. Small talk we get for talk before we come out for outside.
I think when you see all this kind of thing, Ambassador, they reflect the image of Cameroon. They reflect no small. Because we foresee how we begin to suffer for rights exam. If this one they go right for that own side, they don't learn for how long, Ambassador. They don't learn which thing. Because every day na popcorn, this pikin no dey read, they get beating heart. Pikin no really read when they shoot popcorn, they read with fear for house. We go write house exam. Now just the formality the one just make am. Because fear, every day they run inside bushes, go hide, come back for town. Ambassador, more pity this country.
All right.
One thing, Mr. Paul Biya for resign. When he resign, things of this country go define.
All right.
And when he resign, Mr. Tanganji then follow.
Thankful, we don't almost finish. Small talk on top this palava they will come out.
The thing I got on, I say, me government officials, me they stop for the pretense, me they stop for the give the impression say things that they fine way, they fine. Because when you look for like for Northwest with 7 divisions, only 2 that they take part. Where the other one them?
I mean say 2 that they host the center.
2 that they host the center.
Yeah.
2 that they host the center. What about the people where they inside bush? What about the one where they don't die? What about the one that don't lost their parents? They don't get the means for continue the school again. The university they celebrate what they call a national day. What a national day will be the talk about union. They celebrate them while picking the right exam for down here in a free atmosphere. The other one for that side. See the kind mask where they see that army man put them. In the me a student where the right exam under that condition. And if he pass that GCE. Except for the home mark with consideration say na paper than this for war zone.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, country we no fit for enter for all palava we get them, but we don't touch some of the key one the way be fit for touch this afternoon. Sabi say we go turn back with this story then we'll meet up for Monday. Thank you plenty for your time.
Okay, thank you for saying as you come in for him with Chakara Tourism.
Okay, as Sabi say we will be all another time.
Yes, very well.
Frundi, you'll be pressing for house. Thank you plenty too for your time.
Thank you technicians them, and I want to remind all the Sangwa people that say we get general meeting tomorrow for Bonaberry. So may all man come in time 3 o'clock.
All right, we'll talk Asia for Nadine Guafo, one my own Iron Lady for here. We lost in Manu the get for Berry and this weekend. We'll talk for Asia. Thank you plenty. Fare Bunya, thank you Francois Dikume, Malis, and all people there they make and say me Tori Waka fine. We go meet up now for Monday for 8 o'clock if Papa God left. On a whole I'm tight for outside.